Morning, Mrs. Coriel's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
Great to see you all. We're doing 1.3 multiplying numbers ending in 0, and we're also doing exponents. Can you multiply numbers ending in 0 and exponents?
Yes.
Yes. Eyes up here, yes. All right, a factor. A factor is what?
Multiplication problem.
We need to do this together. So this video is going to be 20 minutes if we don't start doing it together. I'll try again. Factors are what?
Numbers in a multiplication problem.
Yes, factors are numbers in a multiplication problem. Every multiplication problem needs to have at least how many factors?
One.
Well, if it has one factor, can you multiply? No, so it has to have at least two. All right, a power is a number written with an exponent. We'll talk a little bit more about those in a bit. An exponent is a little tiny
number.
And is it bossy?
Yes.
Yeah, kind of like that person, right?
Yes.
The base is not a little tiny number, but it is a bigger number. So compared to my wife, I'm a little bit bigger, right?
Yes.
So she's kind of the boss of me. She tells me what to do, yes?
Yes.
Okay, I should be up here. You're making the video longer again. Standard form. Standard form is like really compact and put together, yes?
Yes.
And the opposite of compact and put together is...
Expanded.
All right, so we got expanded and we got standard. We'll talk a little bit more about those in a bit. All right, multiplying a number that ends in 0. Look at this problem. We have two factors. We have 9 and 10, yes? 9 is a pretty basic number. 10 is also a basic number, but 1 is more basic, right? So class, when we multiply by numbers ending in 0, we can just multiply the non-zero numbers first, right? So what is 9 times 1?
9.
9. And what do we do then if we have a number that ends in 0 after we multiply?
Add 0.
So 9 times 10 is
90.
90. I should be up here. I should be up here. Put the pencil down. All right, it gets a little bit more complex when we get to a problem like this. We have 90 times 30. But do we have numbers that are pretty basic?
Yes.
What are those pretty basic numbers?
90.
So do you guys know what 9 times 3 is?
Yes.
It's 27, but our answer isn't 27 because we need to add on how many more zeros?
2.
So we add on those 2 more zeros at the end, right?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
So we multiply the non-zero numbers first, and then we put the what on at the end?
0.
We put the zeros on at the end. Okay. Last thing then, exponents and patterns. Exponents and patterns. This whole thing is called a what?
Power.
Power. And the little tiny number that is kind of hovering in the air above.
Exponent.
And then this number right here is called the...
Base.
And the exponent is the boss, right?
Yes.
So the exponent is... Let's use this example right here. You see what I'm looking at here? This is the exponent, it's the boss, right?
Yes.
It's telling the base what?
To multiply itself 3 times.
Yeah, since the exponent is 3, it's telling the base to multiply itself 3 times. So it's 4 times 4 times 4, yes?
Yes.
And that is what?
64.
64. So to calculate exponents, you multiply the base the number of times the exponent says, yeah?
Yes.
All right. What's this form called right here?
Expanded form.
What's it when it's collapsed down?
Standard form.
Even if we answer, we also call that what?
Standard form.
If this is written out really, really long, can we write that using exponents?
Yes.
Yeah, we just use 2 as our base, right?
Yes.
And how many times did we multiply 2 here?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. We good?